Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode on the Crosscut Crafters channel. In this video, I'm making a 60-inch tufting frame. Do you know what tufting is? Tufting is when you're making a custom piece of wall art or rug using what amounts to a machine gun. In order to do this, you have to stretch a fabric on a frame. This frame has a working width of 60 inches, which is 5 foot, true dimension being 62 inch by 62 inch. There is a gap at the bottom just to be more ergonomic when working, so the frame stands at about 6 foot tall. This frame is constructed out of 1x4 boards from the local Lowe's Hardware. It is held together with Titan Bond 2 wood glue and 18 gauge brad nails. A frame of this size is available on Amazon for approximately $130. Buying the materials and building it myself, this project only set me back about $30. That's all of the wood, the glue, the brads, and the carpet tack strips. Because I'm going to be in close quarters with this frame when not in use, I decided to create some safety bumpers. I got some dollar store pool noodles, drew a line down them with a straight edge, and then slid them with a box cutter. Now I can slip the noodle over the frame to protect myself from the spikes. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. 2 upcoming videos include making a 24-inch frame and utilizing this 60-inch frame to make a fire department emblem that I'm donating to one of my local stations. We'll see you then.